Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login for the JP Morgan Chase mobile app on an iPhone. Let's get started. Just open the app on your phone and make sure you are using the latest version of the app from the App Store. Now log in normally using your username and password and then tap sign in. You need to do this once before setting up biometric login. Once logged in, you will see your home page. Tap on new, more or menu button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it or simply tap on profile at the top right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile settings, tap on settings. In the settings menu, find and tap on security and privacy. Now look for an option called biometric login. Tap on it. You will see a switch or toggle. Turn it on. Your iPhone will now ask for confirmation. If you are using Face ID, look at your screen, or if you are using Touch ID, place your finger on the home button. Once verified, biometric login will successfully enable. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login for the JPG Morgan Chase app on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.